First breaking news, state health leaders say they will be asking the General Assembly to allow local school boards to make decisions about mandating masks. This comes after a week full of calls for state lawmakers to return to Columbia and new lawsuits about the mask mandate issue.
And for now, the proviso banning mask mandates in schools still stands. Our Jason Raven is in Columbia with the latest.
Earlier this week, the U.S. Secretary of Education sent a letter to Governor Sen McMaster over the state's ban on mask mandates in schools. Now, he says the mask mandate prohibition may violate federal law.
And to suggest that bureaucrats in Washington should tell parents that they must force their children to wear masks in school against the wishes and wisdom of the parents is a drastic error, I believe. I think it's wrong.
Friday, the state health department's board voted to ask state lawmakers to give local decision-making authority on mask mandates in schools. Now, right now, a one-year state law, Proviso 1.108, in this year's state budget prohibits school districts from using state funds to enforce a mask mandate.
We know from the public health standpoint and what the science shows that if we want to protect our students, and for that matter everyone else in the school, but especially our students, and keep them in school, we should require masking.
A spokesperson for Governor McMaster sent us this after the vote. Now, he wrote in a statement, as the governor has said, we all have to work together to keep the children of our state safe, but the most effective way to do that is for adults to stop spreading the virus by getting the vaccine. The bottom line is that Governor McMaster believes parents should be making decisions about their children's health, and nobody should be able to tell a parent that they don't know what's best for their child. Now, Senate Minority Leader Sen Hutto of Orangeburg County says he believes all of this week's events are building up to a resolution.
The safety of the children in schools during the pandemic needs to be revisited, and if we don't do it, and I'm hoping that the legislature will, then it's going to fall to the courts to do it.
State health officials also updated their masking guidance in schools. Now, instead of strongly encouraging masks in schools, they are now recommending them. In Columbia, Jason Raven, 7 News.
DHEC is now reporting 473 cases of COVID-19 associated with public and private schools in the state.